Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Mansory has done it again, and I will give them proof for taking on this epic project and engineering it, called the GRONOS Coupe EVO C. We essentially have a G-Wagon coupe of which just 8 will be made. This one features all the Mansory goddess too and is finished in Fludium chrome atmosphere paint. The team chopped the G-Wagon at the B pillar, shifting it rearward and reshaping the C pillar. Under the hood is nothing stock with a 4.0-liter double T V8 making 900 horsepower and 885 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 is estimated in just 3.3 seconds with a 153 mph top speed. This also happened to create a rear-mounted door as well, opening up like a Gronos Coupe. Outside gains a fully Mansory carbon kit with nearly every body panel being unique or redrafted. There also is a wing, a light bar and an armor reduction. Inside, this example is finished in white and gold leather with an accent.